Hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on ByKavinhfx. So in today's video, I'm going to share my weekly forex forecast for the GBPUSD and USD index. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, last week, as I told you guys, last week I was expecting a 2 movement, but I was very into sell guys, okay. Market gave us a sell confirmation guys. After the CPI news, market dropped crazily guys, okay. After the CPI news is one big candle. I think this is the worst that USD index has dropped guys, okay. Let me go to weekly. As you guys can see, the big sell candle guys, okay. After 2020, after COVID, this is the big drop guys USD index has gave us, okay. My confirmation was from the CPI news, okay, not from the CPI, the NFP news guys, okay. Before that itself, I told you guys the number was very poor, and after that the CPI has confirmed guys, okay. CPI news, okay, the number came out very poor guys, okay. It was not in favor to USD index, so market started moving down guys, okay. So yeah, a big drop guys on USD index, GBP, currencies like GBP, okay, gold, everything started to shoot up guys, okay. So yeah, if you guys have made profit last week, I know that the zone that I gave you guys, okay, market has hit stop loss, okay. I placed my order. Let me show you the zone first. Okay, sorry, let me please show you the zone first guys, okay. Okay, H4, and this was the zone guys, okay. I remember giving you guys the zone here, okay. Market break the zone guys, market break the zone, and it would have definitely hit the stop loss guys, okay. If you guys follow the stop loss that I gave you guys, okay, between this zone 30 to 40 pips, you guys would have ended up in a minimum risk guys, okay. Minimum risk guys, okay. You guys would have lost in the minimum risk guys, okay. If you guys never place your stop loss and then more than 150 pips guys, okay, more than 150 pips, you guys would have ended up blowing up your account guys, okay. So yeah, market break the zone, market came back again and retraced back into the zone guys, okay. And to those who place your profit order here, okay, I remember placing my order here guys, okay. Once market came into the zone, 30 to 40 pips, the same term here guys, okay, the same rules that I use here, stop loss, okay, in my order 30 to 40 pips, and then I targeted 100 pips guys, okay. I targeted 100 pips, I made my profit, and then I ended up closing my account guys, okay. So yeah, after that market started moving up. I never cared for the market guys, okay. So as you guys can see, our market currently is at 118 guys after the big drop on USD index. This is why, because of the numbers guys, CPI, as I told you guys last week itself, CPI, the news is going to come out around Thursday, okay, in my timing Thursday. So I ask you guys to beware of the news, okay. So yeah, a big drop guys, so a big drop on USD index. And now where's the market gonna go, okay, that's the big question here. Where's the market gonna go, okay. So 105.410 market, there are possibility for the market to come down here. Before that guys, before that, okay, we have some zones here, okay. Let me take a screenshot first, okay. Let me take a screenshot first. Before that, market has break some zones guys, okay, some demand zones here, such as this zone, okay. Market has broke the zone here. This zone was a demand zone, and then next demand zone is here guys, okay, around 105.410, okay. Before that, I'm expecting a small retracement guys, okay, small retracement to where, to 107.840, and then USD index to continue its drop guys, okay. And then USD index to continue its drop around 108.480, okay. So okay, I'm messing up the chart, okay, let me draw it again. So I'm expecting a small retracement to 107.840 and then to 105.410 guys, okay. If market is gonna break the 105.410, that's not our issue here guys, okay. So this is gonna be the my prediction guys. This is going to be my prediction for next week guys, okay. I'm expecting market to retrace, because once a market has broke a support demand area, market has to retrace back guys to continue its downfall, okay. So that's what I'm going to expect guys right now. 105.410 will be our zone guys, okay. So let's see guys what's the market going to do. And next week also, it's an important news guys. We'll be receiving some news, okay. The statistic, okay, the labor statistics news of USD index will be coming out guys, and the monetary policy of GBPUSD also will be coming out. So that's a very important news guys, okay. Be aware of the news. And if you guys are new, if you guys don't know where to check your news, then this app will be very useful to you, okay. Forex Factory guys, this is where I check my news, okay. Forex Factory is very useful to me guys, okay. This is where I check my news, so you guys can go and search up in any search engine and find out Forex Factory guys, okay. So yeah, for your USD index, I'm expecting a retracement and then a downfall guys, okay. That's what I'm expecting right now. Okay, for GBPUSD, okay, market has continued to 118.339 guys, and I expected this move, okay. But once the CPI news was quite off, okay, market started moving up guys, okay. And right now, as you guys can see here, 118.339 is a resistance zone guys, okay. Market is currently at resistance. If market is at a resistance, we know we have to sell the market. But remember guys, remember one thing here, okay. This is very crucial right now guys, because GBPUSD after quite some time it's going very high guys, okay, and USD index is very poor. if you guys are willing to take your trade, this zone will be a nice zone to take your trade, guys. Okay, this zone will be a nice zone to take your trade, and 100 pips around. Okay, if you are willing to take your trade around 118.339, and then your TP can be around 117.3, 117.2, guys. Okay, more than 100 pips here, guys. Okay, that's our target. Our target is 100 pips a week, guys. Okay, 100 pips a week is our target. So once you have achieved your target, please close your account, guys. Okay, as I told you, next week we are having some important news. I don't want you guys to lose your money here. Okay, so 118.339, your stop loss as usual 30 to 40 pips. Okay, above this zone, guys, above this zone, 30 to 40 pips, around 118.6, 118.5. Okay, that will be your stop loss, and then your TP as usual 100 pips. Okay, once you are making profit, remember to set your break even, guys, which is bringing your stop loss below. Okay, below the zone, guys, below the order zone. If you, for an example, guys, if you have placed your order around 118.339, your stop loss around 118.6, if the market is currently profiting around 117, you are bringing your stop loss from 118.6 to 117.8, guys. Okay, that's break even. Break even is something that will make sure that you, market's going back, guys, market is going back up, it will make sure you to make profit, guys. Okay, it'll make sure, it'll ensure you profit. Okay, so break even is very important here, guys. Make sure to set your break even, and yeah, make sure to set your break even, guys. Okay, if market has hit our stop loss, then there are zones above, guys. Okay, such as 120.066, 120.071. Okay, sorry, 126.71, guys. Okay, some demand zones are here. So if market breaks the zone, then you guys have to wait for the market to enter into this demand zone, guys. This is a very high demand zone because I'm seeing in a big time frame D1, guys. Okay, so usually in D1, if you're analyzing in D1, your stop loss should be a bit high, guys. Okay, because the volatility in D1 and the points that we are making in D1, even the zone itself is quite big, guys, almost 60 pips in the zone. Okay, so that's why your TP or stop loss should be quite big, guys. Okay, the more the risk, okay, the more the risk, the more the profit, guys. Okay, that's how the market works. So remember that, guys. Okay, remember that. So 118.339, guys, remember the zone. Make sure to set your stop loss, make sure to trade properly, and remember the news, guys. Okay, remember the news. Don't trade on the news time, guys. Try to avoid trading on the news time. Okay, don't make a lot of mistake, guys, and don't overtrade. Okay, this is very important here. Don't overtrade. Follow your money management, guys. Okay, follow your money management. Okay, 118.339, 117.2 will be your TP, and then stop loss around 118.5, guys. Okay, 118.5 or 118.6, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I would like to end today's video, guys. Currently I'm at 423 subscribers, guys. Okay, day by day my subscribers are growing, which is a very good thing for me, guys. Okay, I was quite happy to see the numbers growing, guys, and I'm very happy to be helping you guys. Okay, out there around 400 people, guys. Okay, the numbers might be small to you, but for me it's a huge number, guys. Okay, 400, it's a big number for me, guys. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you guys who subscribe me and who have been following me from beginning to right now, guys. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Adios and bye bye, guys.